Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a car owner or an automotive enthusiast, you know how important it is to understand the components of your vehicle. Today, we're diving into the symptoms of a bad throttle position sensor. The throttle position sensor's primary job is to measure the position of the throttle plate and send that data to the ECM, the engine control module. ECM uses this information to adjust fuel levels, control idle speed, and even communicate with the automatic transmission to optimize shifting points. Typically, you'll find the throttle position sensor located on the throttle body. The first symptoms of a bad throttle position sensor is check engine light. The most common sign of a failing throttle position sensor is the check engine light turning on. Here are some diagnostic trouble codes that may appear. To read these codes, you can visit your local auto parts store, as many will scan your car for free. Alternatively, you can purchase your own OBD2 scanner. The second symptoms is shifting problems. A failing sensor can lead to delayed or harsh shifting. For example, you might notice your car struggles to shift smoothly as you accelerate. This happens because the ECM can't relay accurate throttle position data to the transmission control module TCM, causing improper shift timing. The third symptoms is poor acceleration. If your throttle position sensor isn't working properly, the ECM can't make precise fuel adjustments. This results in sluggish acceleration or hesitation when you press the gas pedal. The fourth symptoms is limp mode. Limp mode is a safety feature that activates when the ECM detects a critical issue, such as a malfunctioning throttle position sensor. When this happens, your car's speed and RPMs are limited, and it'll usually stay in second or third gear. Limp mode is designed to protect both you and your vehicle from further damage. Before concluding that your throttle position sensor is faulty, inspect the throttle body for dirt and debris. A dirty throttle body can cause similar symptoms. If it's dirty, you can clean it yourself. I've linked a recommended cleaning solution in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.